Hello friends, today's video regarding MYPHONE Hammer Iron V smartphone. The MYPHONE Hammer Iron V smartphone is notable for its large battery, sophisticated camera, and durable body that can withstand harsh environments. This device is ideal for consumers looking for a dependable phone with a long battery life, an excellent camera, and a powerful processor for multitasking. One feature that distinguishes the MYPHONE Hammer Iron V smartphone is its extremely large 6,320 mAh battery. This allows users to use their phones for longer periods without having to charge them constantly. The battery can last up to 294 hours in standby mode and 28 hours in talk mode. Furthermore, the phone includes a power bank feature that allows you to charge other devices as needed. An effective camera system is an additional significant advantage. The 50 Mpix primary camera produces excellent images in a variety of lighting conditions. An additional 24 Mpix camera is used for night vision and photography. Furthermore, the 8-megapixel front camera lets you easily make video calls and take visually appealing selfies. Another significant advantage of the MYPHONE Hammer Iron V smartphone is its durable design. Because of its sturdy construction, this model is ideal for people who work in harsh environments or spend a lot of time outside. The phone casing is IP68 certified, indicating that it is impact, dust, and water resistant. Nonetheless, the screen is the 6.5-inch touchscreen smartphone Hammer Iron V is weatherproof, dustproof, and water resistant. The 6,320 mAh battery, up to 12 GB of RAM, and pure Android 13 ensure optimal timing and speed of work. The smartphone's eSIM-ready technology, NFC, and night vision camera enable you to make the most of any situation. The MediaTek Helio G36 processor that powers the smartphone provides adequate performance and fast data processing. Furthermore, thanks to pure Android 13, you can fully realize this device's hidden potential. This hammer can easily handle multiple tasks at once. This is due to the RAM, which can be expanded by using internal memory, up to 2 GB to 6 GB, to a maximum of 12 GB. We can also increase its capacity by inserting a 256 GB SD card into the 64 GB base card. There will be enough room to store files, images, videos, music, and applications. Volt and VO Wi-Fi technology allow you to always be in range and have uninterrupted, clear conversations. This hammer provides high communication standards. The hammer key allows you to quickly and easily access your favorite apps and features, such as underwater photo mode, torch, thermometer, and screenshot. Taking photos and videos in the rain or while underwater. It causes no problems for Iron V. It is simple to set up the programmable hammer key to function as a camera. The water mode, which protects the screen and touch, allows you to capture special moments without the need for cases or covers. Hammer Iron V costs PLN $9.99 and comes in orange and black. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.